This is a mensuration question. Appeared as a 4-mark question in 2017 CBSE Class 10 board examination. The question has got two parts. The first part is the math part, and the second one is our views on water conservation. The math part is really easy. It's basically testing concepts of volumes of solids. Let's get started with the math part and then round it up with our views on water conservation. In a rainwater harvesting system, the rainwater from a roof of 22 meters by 20 meters drains into a cylindrical tank having diameter of base 2 meter and height 3.5 meters. So the roof is a rectangular roof. Its measurements are given 22 meters by 20 meters. It drains into a cylindrical tank. The measures are diameter is 2 meters and height is 3.5 meters. What we need to find out is if the tank is full, find the rainfall in centimeters. Let's get started. Let's start with the first data that we have, the area of the roof. Volume of rainfall fallen is equal to the area of the roof into the rainfall in meters. The final answer that we need to give is computing the rainfall in centimeters. But let's start by assigning a variable which would measure the rainfall in meters. Therefore, we can compute the volume of water that we receive through rainfall in meter cube. Volume of water collected from the rain is equal to the volume of the tank that collects it, which is a cylindrical tank. So it's a volume of the cylindrical tank. What we'll do is we'll assign one variable, deduce some values, and then move on to solving this question. The first variable is what we need to find out. Find the rainfall. So we're establishing the rainfall as a variable which is x meters. The diameter of the cylindrical vessel is given, which is 2 meters. So its radius is going to be 1 meter. Height of the cylindrical vessel is given, which is 3.5 meters. For ease of computation, I'm going to write it as a fraction as 7 by 2 meters. Solving this question has only one concept. The volume of rain fallen on the roof is equal to the volume of rain collected in the cylindrical vessel. What is the volume of the rain fallen? Area of the roof, which is 22 into 20 into x, which is the rainfall measured in meters. So all of these are meter, meter, meter. So the unit for this is meter cube. This is equal to the volume of the cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank volume pi r squared h is the formula. Let's write pi as a 22 by 7. Radius is 2. We deduced it because the diameter is, radius is 1, because the diameter is 2. So 22 by 7 into r square, which is r into r, 1 into 1, into the height is 3.5 meters. We'll write it as 7 by 2 to make calculation easy. Divide both sides of the equation by 22. 22 gets cancelled with 22. 7 gets cancelled with a 7. So what do we have? We have x is equal to, here we have a 1 by 2. The 20 comes to a denominator. So 1 by 20 into 2, which is 1 by 40 meters. X is in meters, so 1 by 40 meters is the amount of rainfall. But the question is finding the rainfall in centimeters. Meter to centimeter, multiply the value by 100. So this is 1 by 40 into 100 centimeters. So this is equal to 2.5 centimeters of rainfall. Quickly do this last bit of the calculation in a printed form and then look at our views on water conservation. Equating the two volumes, 22 into 20 into x, all of this in meters. So the volume is going to be in meter cube, is equal to 22 by 7. R and R are in meters. Height is also in meters. So m square into m, the volume will become meter cube. So units match. Divide both sides by 22. 22 gets cancelled with 22. 7 and 7 get cancelled. So x is equal to 1 by 40 measured in meters, which is equal to 2.5 centimeters.